So on the left front, we were having some oblongness, I guess you could say. Well, look at the adjusters. Gee, I wonder why that felt funny. All right front corner is apart. Wheel cylinder's looking good. The adjusters actually look adjusted properly on this side. Surprise, surprise, Wick.
Yeah.
Shoes look great. I'm assuming the inside of the drum looks great. Oh, God, come on. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Nice and smooth. Amazingly, the brakes were the only halfway decent thing on here so far. Making messes. All right. This side actually looks like it was greased, unlike the other side, which was disgusting. So I want to show the leaf spring shackle is FUKT. But easy enough. Swap those out. Doing leaf springs is easy. What if they just sell fully assembled springs, Wick? You know what I mean? You're over there. Are you Fiat book master right now? Ooh.
So they have. Okay, so that's 3 and 7. So 3. Oh, that's the same as the other one. Those are the same. Bushing front.
Pin rear complete.
7. Pin complete. It's kind of interesting.
Looks like you need 2 different pins.
Same part number though.
Yeah, because it's a bushing on a stud and it presses into the spring.
This one they don't seem to have.
What about spring it? That comes pressed in. I wonder if that comes as part of the spring assembly.
It doesn't look. I mean, it can
Because it's got the same number.
Well, that does, but you can also
2.
get it separately, which is this part right here.
Look, easy Italian learning.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
You come across spaghetti bolognese yet?
Not yet,
Damn it.
but it's probably in here.
Oh. Hell, if they got that, we could order some of that too.
Yeah, so. Alright, so I can't get these. Looks like they got these. Or is it the other way around?
I wonder if we can have a spring guide do it. Like take them over to Devers or something.
I don't know.
Get them all redid.
So this is 746024. So that's this guy. So we actually need 4 of them.
For the shackles.
Because
Yeah.
they do, that's got that double link there.
Yeah, the shackle.
Alright, so how many do I have in my cart now? I think I only got 2 of them in there.
Mr. Fiat.
We need 4 of those guys.
I like how Wick's just...
They got their tumbler going next door again.
Yeah.
Tumbler slain air compressor. Sounds like a tumbler.
I'm going to talk to Bo and Tim and be like, what you guys doing with your compressor
What is
over
that
there,
thing
boys?
over there? Yeah, so
Holy moly, Wick's going shopping.
so that's the only thing I see leaf springs, unless they got it under another section somewhere.
I'm amazed they don't sell the actual entire spring, just assembled, ready to go.
Yeah, I don't know how many cars they use these things for. Shock absorbers seem, I guess that's 4 of them. Seems a little pricey,
Wow.
doesn't it?
Yeah. I kind of wonder if we can get these from other vendors. I might actually do a little looking.
Yeah. All right, so I haven't gotten to the front yet, so...
Right, so this on the left front, this adjuster was way out, so we are bringing it to be somewhat consistent, like the other side and the rest of them, because they are eccentrics, which is pretty neat. Just gonna get it close enough for now. We'll readjust later on when we finalize everything, but looking good.